Hello and welcome. I'm Lorilei Fowler.
And I'm Grace Ogburn.
And this is the Eye of the Hurricanes. Hi guys, we're reporting live from the Bobcat Film Festival in an actual Anchor facility. But we just competed in the film festival and we won. For the story of Driftwood Dan, we had Best Overall.
And then for Fatal Productivity, we had Best Screenplay.
Woo! Super excited about it, which she acted in.
The story of Driftwood Dan also won first place at the State Technology Fair.
Woo! Go Dan! If you haven't watched it yet, check it out on the JCHS Film YouTube channel.
Some of those films are just so silly.
Speaking of silly, there are some really impressive silly faces to go around.
Segment's over.
Let's segue into our instructional portion of today's view show.
Etiquette with Tiffany and Summer.
This is not proper restroom etiquette.
Don't do this.
Tiffany! Does this shirt make my butt look big? Wait, is anybody else in here working on making this?
Don't do that.
Thank you, Tiffany and Summer, for your instructional manners on the bathroom.
You know, with Georgia, you never know what the weather's gonna look like.
You are so right. If only we had a weather forecast.
But we do.
Hello, Jasper County. My name is Lewallen, and I'll be doing today's weather forecast for the Eye of the Hurricane. Today, it's quite rainy outside and gloomy, so let's cut to rep and see what it looks like.
Dylan, it's not raining out here, man. It's pretty nice out here. It's definitely not raining. I don't know what you're looking at, but it is not raining.
Yeah, it is, Rep.
No, it's not. It's definitely not raining.
Yeah, it is, Rep. I saw it raining earlier.
Come out here and look then, Dylan.
Okay, Rep, I'm on the way out.
I could have swore it was raining.
I told you, it hadn't rained in like 3 days, man.
My car's wet, dude.
How?
It was raining.
It was not raining.
It was raining.
I don't know where you were, but it has not
It
rained
was a
here.
paradox. It was raining.
Okay.
Today looks very nice and warm outside. You should go and have a picnic.
Well, you've got it right this time. It is very nice and sunny outside.
Thanks, Rep. Let's go back to Lorilei and Grace.
Wait a minute. When did this get here? I guess he was right.
The annual Seuss on the Loose took place.
Oh yeah, I saw the Cat in the Hat running around. Let's check it out.
Seuss on the Loose started in 2013. We have about 120 adult volunteers. There are people that have been working on this actually since October. I retired from teaching at Georgia State in Atlanta in 2012 and joined the First Readers Group in Jasper County. Every child who registers gets a free book for a month from birth to age 5. We believe that it is very important to have quality, age-appropriate books in the home. We believe that parent education is important too. Many parents will say, well, we've already read this book, but we believe that rereadings, repeated readings, are very important. The studies show that the #1 way to help your child be successful in school is to read aloud, and it's free. Any parent can go to the public library and get books. You can register for First Readers and get books that way. Just read aloud to your child. Discuss the book. It increases their vocabulary. And it's the #1 way to get children ready for school and to help them develop a love for reading.
Well, that's different.
That's very different. Anyways, I'm Lorilei,
And I'm Grace.
and this is the Eye of the Hurricanes.
Put your hands down. Okay. All right. Okay, wait. I'm ready. Hold on. I'm gonna wrap myself around.